Hello. So right now my power is out. Yay, because we have like 5 inches or more of snow. It's not even Halloween. It's not like I live in Canada, okay? I live in the United States, eastern part, northeast, just ah! But flashlight, don't have any internet, TV, computer, just nothing at all. So I'm resorting to doing homework. But I barely can do that because I can't see anything. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't. How did people even survive in like the 1700s? And I just realized I can't even upload this, so by the time I upload it, that means I got my power back. Woo! But yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. And what am I supposed to do with no power? Leave a comment because I don't know what to do. I don't know. Okay, peace out. It's not like I'm weird or anything, right? Yeah, got my hair done. It's lighter and it looks really bad, but let's just blame that on the power outage, okay? Okay, bye.